Alright folks, we're back on the bench again. Set up a new camera over here, get a different angle of some stuff that I do. Give you another shot of my cluttered up little dungeon down here. What we're going to do, more with the 1022 Ruger stock. As you recall, right here it was busted. I'm going to put two pins, brass pins, right in here in the wrist. Reinforce that where it was really narrow and you couldn't get any glue down in there. I'm glued about back to here, but you can see the cracks all the way back to here. It's going to really stiffen that up. It's going to be full of epoxy. And second, I'm going to have these sticking out and they will be polished out flush, smooth, just like that. You'll have that brass right there, a dot right there and a spot right there. Strictly decoration. What we're going to do, we've got a 3/16 rod, 3/16 drill bit. Got it drawn out here. You can see the angle. I'm going to drill it. One right there, one right there. I've got that taped. It's my depth. I'm going to drill this by hand. And how do I come up with that? You come right down here straight and get it in the middle. I've already got that first one cut. You can see that right there. Tip it straight up. There you're centered. Just rotate it some. You just cut your pilot. When you start drilling, it won't walk on you. We're going to do the same thing here. Ta-ta! Okay, we're going to drill her by hand. I can see this line on my that I drew on there. Keep my angle where I want it. And that one walked a little bit. We're going to have some epoxy filler in there, but this one's a little shorter. I'm going to quit about 1/4 of an inch before I get to my tape. There we got room for our epoxy. We're going to mark these things where we're going to cut them. And I'm going to leave about 1/8 or less sticking out. And we're going to rough them up. With the file. Give the epoxy something to grab onto. This does not have to be deep. And that's all. And there we be. I use a fine wire to get that stuff down in there. Get all surfaces nice and coated with it. You want the full contact. Where the hell you at? There you are. If you wipe stuff off pretty quick, it's not too bad to deal with. Epoxy. If you let it go a little bit, it can be kind of a mess. Forgot which one was which there. In and out, work them a lot, make sure that epoxy is going everywhere. Except on the floor, on your clothes. Okay folks, I got that all sanded out and shaped down, sanded out. It's a little off-centered. I'm not real happy with myself about the deal, but it's not a $5,000 stock. It's a busted up Ruger Coon Club. I think this is video number 7 on this thing. I've got them done. I got that filled in. We did the paint job on it, and I'm not 100% happy with that. I might do something additional too. Got these done. I still got some real estate right here I'm going to play with. I got a lot of it right here I'm going to play with. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put something on the bottom of the heel right here. It's just going to be another video every few days as I get them done. As in January, on my Patreon page, I suspended the billing on January 1st. I have suspended the billing on February 1st. I just don't have anything on there for you except this thing. And I'm just not going to do it. Probably March 1st. Hopefully I'll be able to get out in some shooting ranges. So you want to get over on the Patreon page, check out some of this stuff. There is no billing till maybe March at the soonest. It might be April. I don't know. Mother Nature and God's going to be determining of that one. But hey, just another video on the Coon Club. Thanks a lot, people. You've been really good to me.